Hello. You can transform your business easily with AI automation. First, I'll show you an example that we did recently. It is proven experience that we have done for a business in Australia. This business now is showing in uh, ChatGPT with its product like best embroidery products in uh, city. I'll share you, and you can easily. I will guide you one part to another part how to optimize your website with AI tools. Let's start with this basic thing first. In next video, I will show you more.